We the Oroville Eagle Mighty Might team, and we the best 6 and 7 year old team ever assembled. Okay, world, we got a couple of issues this week. My main man, Jeremiah, he has weight problems. He's a little bit overweight, so we got to get him down to 85. He's been at my house all night, and now it's about 5:30 in the morning. I'm about to get him up. I'm about to train him right now. Hopefully he can knock off some pounds. Last night when we weighed him, he was 90. I'm starting to get a little worried because I need him. My main man, Jeremiah, big powerhouse lineman, big tight end, you know, and he's a good kid. He works hard. So let's cross our fingers and hope we can get him down to 85. Let's go.
Still 88.
How much you weigh?
88.
Still 88? Let me try.
Hard work, huh? Good job, Jeremiah. Well, now I just got word that they will not let my big man pass the weight at 85.2. He got, come on, are you serious? He has to lose 0.2 ounces. Oh man, that is crazy. You will not let my 85.2 guy play. I'm irate. I'm upset. You know what I'm saying? I mean, now he's still out here running, still working out. He's going to play. He's played every game. But I'm going to make sure he doesn't have to go through this no more for the rest of the season. Watch. We'll get him out there. Okay, world. He made it. Tipping 85 exactly. Down to his draws. Hey, thumbs up, baby. Good work. Let's go out here and play some football. Game time. Alright, as coaches, we don't get to rate ourselves on how good our team is because we know we got some talented boys. We get to rate ourselves from the first year players and the second year players. Okay, if we can bring our first year players up to the level of our second year players and they all combine and look the same, now we got an unstoppable team. That's teamwork. That's where we get our ratings from. That's good coaching. Now let's go check them out. Okay, save your comments. We only in the middle of the season. End of the first half. Second half starting. Game time. Okay, Jeremiah. Here's the reward for the big guy. Go ahead and get him the ball one time. See what he do. He worked so hard all season, man, to block for the three-headed monster. Hey, give him the ball, man. Let him rumble down the floor. See if they can take the boy down.
Bobcat offense. First time